Hi friend, in this video I will tell you how you can participate and earn using Binance Launchpool event for XVS coin. I will tell this in the mobile app, so you can do it in the web exchange or mobile app, doesn't matter. Let's enter the mobile app. I just clicked the Binance mobile app icon, and then this is our homepage, you can see, and there is deposit, launchpad, convert, saving, leaderboard, pool, liquid swap, more. These all, there is a lot of options. In the Binance you can earn money, not only trade but also these are launchpad, pool, saving, liquid swap. There's good options. You will click launchpad, like see there's a writing hot. I just click, and then there is three options: launch pad, launch pool, and all. I'm clicking launch pool, and then I will come to XVS, yeah, Venus. You can earn Venus with three methods. One of them is staking BNB, the other of staking SXV, and the last one is staking BUCD. BUCD is a stable coin. One BUCD, I mean Binance USD, one BUSD is $1. It's a stable coin. It's like you can think it's like Binance dollars. First of all, I will tell you how you can earn Venus using stake BNB. Just the same method. Reverse progress is nearly 8%. Annualized yield it's nearly 23%. It's a very good rate, very good earning. And the farming will finish at October 29. I just click stake now. You can see there's a pool. Total BNB staked nearly 11 million. Total BNB pool rewards nearly 3,600,000 Venus. And you can see the annual percentage yield. Okay, now if you want stake, just click stake, and then you can see your available BNB balance. Just click max and then click stake. Okay, now I staked my BNB to this pool. If you again click max, okay, for example, I will show it in the alpha. For example, if you click stake, sorry, back. Okay, for example, my reward, you can see your reward here. If you click claim rewards, you will take your earning coin to spot wallet. Okay, come back again, Venus here. For example, now my reward is 0, so claim rewards is not it's deactive, not active. So and if I'm thinking I want to redeem, I want to take my money from this pool to my spot account, just click redeem and then max, and then if you click redeem you will get your money again. Let me show you. Okay, now I take my money from pool to spot account again, and back again. This is BNB staking. I click back. Okay, and here SXP is again Binance coin. Binance will use this coin for its new card, and It's very good. If you hold, if you stake SXP, you will get money, nearly very good amount, nearly 70 percentage for 1 year. For 1 year, it is for 1 year. And I stake now. You can check the Venus webpage, white paper, research report, and detailed rules. The 9 days we have, and then again you can click stake. It's now deactive because I don't have any SXP. No problem. And my rewards, you can unclaim rewards and claim rewards. Unclaim rewards, it means I earned that money, but not yet take back to my spot account. It's holding on the pool. If I want to take that money from pool to my spot account, just claim rewards, and you can see total rewards received. Yani it means you took that money from pool to spot account. It means that, yeah. Dear friends, I really need your help. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video. I am recording video for you to earn money, like airdrop, Launchpool event, and etc. If you support me, I will record more video and you will earn more. Please support and subscribe to my channel. Now I don't have any subscribed people, so maybe you may be first. It's very good. Anyway, you can see claim history here. Just click claim history. This is, for example, this is my reverse history. You can see flame, alpha, etc. And this is your staking history. Launchpool farming. It's flamingo I hold. Flamingo, alpha, etc. and Venus. And back. And then BUSD. I just click BUSD. As I said, USD. I'm sorry, BUSD is dollars. And the annual percentage yield is lower than the others, but finally I have already dollars. My dollars is waiting, holding my spot account, and I'm earning nothing. And there's no risky because there's a stable coin. One USD is $1. I'm not in the risky, but I can earn money, so there's no problem. Think like this, okay? It's maybe lower percentage yield, but annual percentage yield, but there's no risky. There's a good money. You are earning money doing nothing, like this, okay? And in the here's you see the stake my funds. You can click stake, and if you click max and stake, and then you will stake your BUSD. Now my dollars and my BNB is holding in the alpha Launchpool. I told alpha Launchpool in the previous video. And so there is not enough balance for these events. No problem. For example, yeah, in this video I told you Venus earning using stake SXP, BNB, and BUSD. And the previous video I told you all flamingo and the others. And then now I'm waiting on the alpha. This is lower price, lower earning than the others, but I'm choosing this. It's a good money. And I'm holding here 11 half BNB, 11.5 BNB. So come back to homepage. Yeah. So friends, in this video I told you how you can earn money using Binance Launchpool. I hope my video is good for you and get profit to you. I really need your help. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video, and you can get comment to my video below. I'm searching some subject. What subject? Earning like Launchpool event, sometimes airdrop event, and I am trying to find best for you. But I need your help. Please support me. See you in the next video.